Hey guys, welcome back. Today I have got some Sword and Shield booster packs. I do have 10 in total. I do have a couple of booster boxes on the way, but they haven't arrived yet, and I've been excited to open up a couple of these packs because I've been watching videos. Right. I've been watching videos of openings, and I'm intrigued by the full art glitter cards. They do look really good, and I would like to pull one myself to actually see the difference, you know. So that's black and white. So I've been following videos, and when the code is black and white, I believe that means we don't get anything good. So that's our reverse holo. And then that must be our rare. So it's 4 from the back. The energy is not too bad. I quite like that. Oh, that's interesting. Some of the... Okay, so it's the rare. So yeah, it's not too bad. Let's try again. I'm trying to get my hands on some Japanese sets. I will keep you guys posted on that if I come across one. It has the holographic, that is the full art. I'm a big fan of that kind of stuff. So, bugger. That's still, yep. 1, 2, 3, 4. So let's have a look what we got here. Energy. Ooh, Hyper Potion. Grunt. Hitmonlee, that's pretty cool. Sakobra. Minichu, Vulpix. I have no idea. Rosalia. Yeah, reverse is a teacup. The pattern's not too bad either. I don't mind that at all. And yeah, a Dreadnought or something. That's, yeah. So if you guys haven't already seen... Oh, look at that. That might be something good in that. Cool. So if you guys haven't seen my PSA video, 2, 3, 4, I would recommend it. It's the first... Oh, it's the first set that I've had graded that's come back. So let's see what we have here. Bishop. That's pretty cool. Sazzle. Sizzlepeeve. Oh, the evolutions. Galarian Zigzagoon. That's not too bad. I enjoy that. That's good. Manana. Storm or Sturm or something. Grookey. And, oh, okay, so reverse is Evolutionary Incense. And then, look at that. A Snorlax V card. That's awesome. Like, that's not too bad. It's a very interesting design. That will be my first V card. That's not too bad. Yeah. No, I like that. It's very nice. Get all these back. So. Haha, I opened it. Look at that. So. Bob. Ooh, code. Okay. So we'll go through it normally. Diglett, Skorupi, Hoot Hoot, Scabunny, Bishop is our Reverse holo, it's just an uncommon. And Galarian Rapidash. That's pretty cool. I really do enjoy that. That's an awesome card. Hey, Gavalia. An air balloon. Oh, so that Rapidash, that'll be the rare. Yep, cool. Interesting. I might go back to cutting. So I wonder, because I haven't done any research at all on this set, can you guys tell me whether there is a 1, 2, 3, 4, whether that has like a V card or like a full art? Because that would be cool if it does. So Fighting Energy, Drizzle, Ordinary Rod, Biddy, Vulpix, yeah, Nickit, something like that, Boltoy, Chinchou, Krabby. Hey, reverse is a Nickit, and lucky last. Wow! Oh wow! Look at that, guys. Oh wow, that's crazy. That goes straight into the sleeve. That's awesome. Like, that's bananas. A full art gold card air balloon. I mean, I think it should be red air balloon, but that's bonkers. Yeah, and it does look like it's scented too. Wow, that is amazing, guys. That will be sent away to get graded. And it is very glittery. That's crazy. That's awesome. So, I've been watching a couple of videos on... nice. On YouTube about how you can... how in a booster pack, because there is only a certain amount of rares and full arts, that shops can find a pattern in the booster pack and be sneaky, especially if you're dealing with local mum and pops. I would like to try it with with one of the booster packs that I have coming. Booster boxes, sorry. Yeah, reverse is a rare candy. Oh wow, look at that. And we have a holo rare Boltud. That's a very nice holo. The holo pattern's very nice in that. Yeah, so I'm completely down to try. And because I've seen a video where he, in a sense, picks out random cards in the booster box, and then every one of those cards is a holographic or a full art. And wow, I've got really lucky with these booster packs. And if you guys don't know, which I didn't, that is how you tell. If it's a white card, you get either a holo card or a full art. 2, 3, 4. I personally don't like weighed booster packs. I think it's poor taste to weigh them and sell them as weighed packs. I am looking for vintage packs at the moment. The prices are going up constantly, so... Oh, Billbug, okay. And our reverse is a Storm. Yeah, it's weird. And... oh wow, that's a full art. Look at that. So this is a Sonjoya VMAX full art. That is a fantastic card. Like, look at that. It's textured and everything. The gigantic 330 HP. Wow, look at that. I really like how, like, there doesn't seem to be a border around most of the card. Like, I know there is down there, but on the sides there's just no border, and that is just a beautiful card. That's crazy. That's a very good card. That's awesome. So wow, with only 3 packets left, I can't believe my luck. I have 3 packets left out of 10, and I've pulled 2 VMAXs and a full art. I think I've pulled, oh no, I think I've pulled the best cards in that booster box. That's wicked. So 1, 2, 3, 4. So energy, big charm, the wacky, Pokegi, look at that. That's cool. Mudbree, hoot hoot. Pinned, I don't even know. Vulpix, Nikiri, Yanmia, Yanpa. And then a mochaccino, cappuccino, thingamajiggy. 2 left. Lucky last 2. I mean, before the booster box gets here. But ooh, look at that. So, what we might do for this one. So 1, 2, 3, 4. So this card here should be the rare one. So let us have a look. Cobblepus, Cottony, something, Rhyhorn, Rookity, something or other. Lucky Egg. Double. I haven't pulled a Woodloo yet. I would like a Woodloo. I don't know. A lot of people, it seemed to get all the hype when the game came out. Not sure why. It's just like a sheep, but oh, and another one. Wow, I've got extremely lucky with these, especially for random pack. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Because when I bought them, I said I just want to pick them. So he pulled them all out, and I've randomly picked 10. And apparently I should do that more often. Galarian Ponyta. Shame that's not shiny. Oh, hollow. Hey, that's pretty cool. Look at that. Aurora Energy. Wonder what that means. Do you guys know what that means? Maybe it counts for all of them. Ferrothorn and Crushing Hammer. Okay. So here we... Oh, hang on. That's 2. Oops. Oh my god. Okay. Okay. Look at that. A Lapras V full art. Wow. That is beautiful. I don't know why I bought the booster box. That is crazy. Like that is bananas. Like that. Oh wow. Okay. That's awesome. So, and then we have a Galarian Meowth, which is a reverse. And then this. Oh, there you go. There's a hollow Cinderace, something like that. That's cool. Awesome. Okie dokie. let's have a look at this recap. That's just bananas. Cinderace. Oops. Cinderace. Holo. Boltod. Holo. Rare. Look at that, guys. So Snorlax V card, full art. No, that's just a normal V card. And then 3 full arts in a pack of 10. Are you mental? Like, I feel I should go and buy a lottery ticket. That is just bananas. Like, that's crazy. That is a very nice card. Now I understand why a lot of people want it. That's beautiful. Awesome, guys. Well, thank you very much for watching, and very, very soon I should get those booster boxes. I am going to collect them this weekend. They come in. So hopefully by next week I should be able to get a pack opening to you guys. Awesome. Thank you very much. See you later.